Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. Do you need a super easy Republic Day speech for LKG and UKG students? Stop searching. This video is made just for you. In this video, you will get a short, simple and best Republic Day speech for LKG, UKG and nursery kids, perfect for 26th January school celebrations. This Republic Day speech in English for kids is designed with very easy words, small sentences and a cute flow, so even first-time speakers can speak confidently on stage. Whether you are a parent, teacher or school coordinator, this video is a ready-to-use solution for kindergarten Republic Day programs. Watch till the end to learn a simple Republic Day speech for small children that is easy to memorize, fun to speak, and full of patriotic pride. Make your little star shine this Republic Day with confidence and smiles. So, let's get started with the video. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I will speak a few lines on Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day, India began to follow its own laws. These laws help our country run properly. They are written in the Constitution of India. A republic means people choose their leaders. It also means everyone is treated the same. We should follow rules and do good deeds. Thank you. Jai Hind.